Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If your Twitch stream suddenly stops and hits you with a frustrating network error 2000 while using Microsoft Edge, I will show you exactly how to fix your browser settings and get back to your favorite stream right now. Let's get started. First, if you are using a virtual private network like ExpressVPN or NordVPN, you need to temporarily turn it off. Twitch servers actively block many VPN IP addresses, which instantly triggers this network error and prevents the video from loading. Simply disconnect your VPN application, refresh the Twitch page, and see if the video player starts working properly. Next, if the stream is still blocked, we need to clear out any corrupted temporary data stored in your browser. Open Microsoft Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner, and select Settings. Navigate to Privacy, Search, and Services on the left panel, scroll down to the Clear Browsing Data section, and click Choose What to Clear. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked, then hit Clear Now to instantly refresh your browser's connection to Twitch. Sometimes third-party ad blockers or video extensions can interfere directly with the Twitch Playback engine. Click the puzzle piece extension icon or the three dots in the top right corner of Edge and select Extensions. Then click Manage Extensions. Try toggling off your active extensions one by one, reloading the Twitch page after each to find out exactly which add-on is breaking the video player. Finally, an outdated graphics driver can occasionally cause major video playback failures across your entire system. If you use an NVIDIA graphics card, for example, simply open the GeForce Experience app and click Check for Updates to ensure you have the latest software installed. If absolutely none of these steps work, the server issue might actually be on Twitch's end, and you can try viewing the stream on a completely different browser like Chrome or Firefox while you wait for them to fix it. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.